Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, you can see why the owner of the car wanted the seats changed out. I don't know who did the leather on them. So I really can't say anything that way. And I wouldn't even if I did know. But that's what his car is supposed to have. That's what they put in his car. Is it just me or no? Correct? No. Yeah. So we'll get the car all cleaned up for him because he's trying to get this back on the road and running right and driving like it's supposed to. I mean, it is a Mercedes. So we'll get this all picked up, cleaned up, straightened out, organized, and get him back together. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I guess I'll see you on the next seat. Good morning again, boys and girls. So, when Boss Man went and got the new seats, it came out of the exact same car, an E320 convertible. They're a match. They're perfect. We love them. So, we just pulled this one out, which you guys are aware, that's the passenger seat. So look at the mounting brackets. Okay. Now remember, exact same car. Now look at the mounting brackets. Thank you, Mercedes. We love you. Here we are back on the seats, just got back from lunch. This is becoming a very interesting dilemma. So, y'all already know that this tracking will not bolt up to the car. It's the wrong tracking. So we have the new tracking from the original seat to go back in. Great, not a problem. Well, this one, they actually did it kind of nice. Let me see if I can make that a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, so this one, I can pretty much minus depinning 2 lines, separate everything, and I have to pop the clip here to separate the seatbelt clip off of this, so the new seatbelt clip can be bolted onto it. Great, not a problem, because they're together and I'm not cutting wires and taking the chance of anything, so no big deal. Now we have to depin everything. Okay, not a major big deal. So what did they do on this one? They ran the wires through the bracket instead of under, which would have made life a whole lot easier. Now it's picture time, so I know exactly who, what, where, when, why, and how for over here. And I'll repin this onto that one. So, yeah. It's turning into... yeah, I'll leave it at that. But on that note, wish me luck. How are we doing, boys and girls? This has been an absolute nightmare. So we have the base off the good seat. Come on, you stupid phone. There we go. We have the base off the good seat that's going in, sitting right there. So now the bad seat that's broken and cracked, which we showed you guys a couple of videos ago, we have to separate. So if I remember being told that the owner of this car had seats done, and that's why they're two-toned and not even right for the car, these seats are the wrong seats, because this seat has power lumbar. Okay, great, not a problem. There's no power lumbar button at all. So I'm putting the proper seat back in, Oh, let me rephrase that. Yes, the proper seat with this base on it so that we can get it back in the car and he can drive the car safely. Yeah, you gotta love wiring. So let's show you guys the other one that we did do. Passenger seat's done. Everything got de-pinned, put back together, plugged back in. So now when I put this back in the car, it'll be good to go. Oh, yay. Is it time to quit yet? We'll get this done and get it taken care of and get him to be a very happy client again. He'll be able to sit and drive his car safely. But, all right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Xander, what do we say?